It starts off as a plait. Y'all, I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, to be honest.
I'm just gonna hold on to guys and change your hand, okay?
I don't know if it's unequally yoked or not. Because you know you don't know till you know. And you gotta know and grow. Then you can go. It won't be ignorant full. Imagine that this end right here is real long, okay? Just imagine, cause it's not. Show them, dresser. OET1B30. Like a pimp named Slickback. You gotta say the whole thing. That's it. That's all. This is what I was talking about with the hair. That's your get it, girl, get it, okay?
I got the right to do that.
It's gonna hold you down like a good relationship. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay. Another crochet braid slay, y'all.
This is some new hair.
I have searched far and wide to see reviews on it. I couldn't find any. Hoping it turns out well. Y'all, I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, to be honest. Because it's like two different things on one piece.
I'm just gonna hold on to guys and change your hand, okay?
And we're gonna get into this thing real quick right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! You, my cousin, are the bomb. All right, y'all. That's how you gotta look when you turn 72. You gotta look at stuff like this. Even if you don't wear glasses, you got to do that. Child, we don't be knowing when we get 72. Now, this hair is from Janet Collection. This is their 18-inch Passion Plait Twist. And it is just like it sounds. As you can see, it starts off as a plait and then it goes into a twist. Okay, that's what it is, and it has the little ends at the end. Y'all know how Janet Collection do at the end of it. They be being fancy at the end of it. I have color OET1B30, like a pimp named Slickback. You gotta say the whole thing. That's it. That's all. And I really like that color, y'all. Let me see how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12. Oh, child, the little thing that came off. There are 12 pieces here. It seems like it's going to be really light, bouncy. I had great success with their Maverick locks. Y'all was like,
they not even locks.
And I was like,
sis, they cute.
Y'all was like,
you right, girl. I'm gonna go get some.
These are plait twists. So they are exactly what they sound like. If you want your get it, girl, get it, you can definitely get this style popping install in about 30 minutes. I can definitely see that from here. The twists are nice and juicy. Hey,
candy rain coming down.
Yes, when you on your get it, girl. Now I know I have not talked about the get it, girl, get it in a while. For all my new subscribers, this is when you tell your family, I'm finna do a crochet install. If you need me for something, you better tell me now, because when I get on my get it, girl, get it, I'm setting my timer. I'm taking all the hair out the pack, so I don't have to worry about opening packs and taking out the lock. I'm here. I'm from here. I'm from here. I'm from here. Almost like when you double dutching. When you get in there, you in there. Period. That's it. That's all. Don't say nothing to me when I'm on my get it, girl, get it. I'm finna get this install done about a good 30 minutes. That's your get it, girl, get it, okay? I'm not gonna be on my get it, girl, get it today, because I'm gonna talk to you while because I don't know, we're gonna go through this together. Sorry, y'all gonna see all my chipped nail polish, y'all. I don't hardly wear nail polish as it is, so when I get ignorant and start showing out, it don't always be right. That's it. And then it goes to this wonderful juicy twist with the little curly cute, the little corkscrew at the end, right? This part right here, the only part that I don't know if it's gonna be pleasing in the eyesight of God from here to here, because see, I don't know if it's unequally yoked or not, but I do like this loop. It's flexible. I just hope it pans out correctly. So let's try a few. This is a prior braid pattern, that's why I look all fluffy and fuzzy. This right here was two different twist. Y'all remember when I did the one for updos, and I had this one going here and this one, but I'm not doing that. But it's just some individual illusion boxes, just like 1 or 2 across, and then the rest cornrows, okay?
And that old Chad.
And then my ends are just in a little bun back here in the back. But if your hair is longer, you just take your end. Just imagine that this end right here is real long, okay? Just imagine, cause it's not. But imagine it's real long, right? You're gonna take the ends of them. Hold on, see, I can just be ignorant and put mine together. See, I can just do like this right here. I be trimming my hair so much, y'all. My trim game's so good, but my hair can't grow long because I be I secretly want to cut it. Okay, so you take your ends, right? You don't have to put all your ends together. I'm just doing that because I got a teaspoon of hair, so I can just put all mine together and be done with it. And then come up here, but you gotta humble yourself. Don't go up too high because I'll be going up too high sometimes. You put the hook up under a braid, then you grab your end, close that hook, y'all, pull it through, okay? And then you do that again. Go up the braid. Bam, bam, close that hook, bring it through. See, all I needed was 2 swipes. I just needed 2 passes, sis. My braid's already up there. You might need 4, 5 passes. I don't know, it just depends. That's how you get rid of your ends if your hair is longer than mine. Otherwise, sis, you can just put in a little low bun like I typically do on a typical day. Now, let's just see. I just want to see something. I'm just going to pick a box. Let me just do this one right here. Okay, I'm probably just going to do this method as to not disturb the loop. Let me see. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. This is the thing. Spacing. This is why when you're unequally yoked, you have to decide what you're going to do with your life. See, because look how thick this is. I would use 2 finger widths for this juicy twist right here that y'all know I love. But when you come up here, it's more narrow up here on the plait end. So I'm inclined to use 1 finger width apart so you don't see your base. I'm going to just put it off in the middle, just do about 1.5 finger widths apart all over. Now, you know that does not include your boxes. Your boxes, you just crochet the actual box. Y'all spacing matters, okay? I need y'all to know that. I know y'all think it's like, girl, you be acting like it's so serious. Just put the pieces in there. I'll be like, just a smidget more right there. That's where my next piece is gonna go. Actually, you know what? It might not, because this is a side braid. Usually on my side braids, I like to make those a little more full in case I do pull it up. Come on now. Okay. Okay. There we go. So yeah, I might put another one right there just because on the edge braids, I make them a little bit more full generally. But we'll see once I get to the end. So just use your finger and then go over a smidget more. Because look, your ends are going to be super full because, you know, you got these nice, cute, juicy twists. You know? You got these nice, cute, juicy twists. And you don't want this to look too full, you know, and you also don't want to run out of hair. I don't know what I'm going to need for this because this is my first time using this hair. So I can't really say what the end going to be. But I serve a God who sits up high and looks down low. Okay? And he already knows. Amen? Huh? This seems like it's going to be the easiest way to install these, you guys. You could use your 2 fingers to pull the end through, but I would not. I'm just going to continue to use the hook to pull the end through. That's what I'm going to continue to do. Yeah. I'm going to just continue to do it like this. Y'all, this is really bouncy and cute. I'm liking it thus far, y'all. I really am. This braid pattern so old, you can't even see the box, Chad. I'm not fooling with myself. I'm really not. Now, we're going to see what the end going to be, okay? I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Y'all already know. Y'all know how to do this part. I just wanted to kind of get a feel for it. Yeah, I do like how snatched that is, though. I do like that little hoop right there. It's not big and floppy and ignorant. Yeah, well, let's just see. I think I'm going to put one right here, though, just because this might be where my part is. It might be. Y'all know I don't be knowing till the end. I don't be wanting to put myself in a box like that. I don't be wanting to do that. I might change my mind.
I got the right to do that.
Chad? I do like how these knots are clean, though. I will say that. I like those clean knots. I do like it. Okay, so this is my last piece in this pack. So at the end, I'll tell you how many packs I use. Keep in mind that there are 12 pieces per pack. Okay, so this is 1 pack right here. Let me back up. This is actually looking very cute. It's flowing. It's flowing nicely, you guys. And I haven't done my ignorant edges. I'm gonna do that. Y'all know I just do the swoop-a-doops, and I use the Arcani Coil Care enthroned edges all the time for my edges, y'all. God is good all the time, and all the time I use enthroned edges, okay? It's gonna hold you down like a good relationship. Okay, let me go ahead and finish. Let me go ahead and finish, because you know you don't know till you know. And you gotta know and grow. Then you can go and show the world your glow. So, but we got to get finished. We got to see what the end gonna be first before we can do that, okay? Hold on a minute. Okay, y'all, so I am finished. This probably took me about 36-ish minutes. And part of that is because I was going through, I was just trying to determine the spacing. Okay, this is what I came up with, y'all. And I'm going to bring it down so you can see. But this is what I came up with. For this particular color, which is not my natural color, I really did like one finger width apart. Hold on. I missed one right there. So I just kind of did those one finger width apart. And the rest of the hair, all through here, I did the 1.5 finger width. I did keep that, even in the back. Once I got up here to the top, I just put them back to back. And I did that because the top is, of course, like we mentioned before, it's more narrow than the rest of the twist. So we get our spacing up and through here. So up here with these last two, wherever your part is going to be, you can put them back to back to back. And it won't be overly full. It won't be ignorant full, you see, because we spaced all up and through here. Now, if we put all this back to back to back and then put this back to back to back, we might look a little ignorant. I mean, I'm just say what it is. We might look a little ignorant, okay? But you know what I say. If you want to look ignorant, cause I mean, it's your world. You know what I'm saying? And I just live here. You could do it, put your back into it if you want to be ignorant, because it's levels to it. I didn't want to be ignorant. I just wanted to be ignorant. When you try to space them up top, you're gonna see, especially when you're not using your natural hair color, okay? If this was a 1B, maybe a little different. I may have spaced them a little bit more up here at the top because it'll be more seamless. You won't really see the hair. You won't see the braid. You won't see the connector piece. You know what I'm saying? But because I'm using OET 1B30, I have to space it a little bit differently. Now, it looks great when you have dark hair. This is a way that you can get your color in without, you know, feeling like, so it still looks good because it's still infused with 1B. I just have it up right now. This is probably how I would rock it, just like one side down, one side back. I might even do a deep left part like I was talking about. So I may do something like this and just have one side back. It just depends on how I feel. I don't know. It just depends. But I definitely wanted you guys to see. This is what I was talking about with the hair. So it's so small up here that you really just need to put them as close as you can. Now you can close this up if you want to. You crochet a piece underneath these two braids and it'll close up. Or you can crochet, I wouldn't crochet anything right there because we're not trying to pull, okay? But you can put a piece right there, a piece right there, and a piece right there, and it'll close that up. I guess I could show you really quickly because I do have a lot of hair left. I use 7 packs, you guys. So I end up using almost 7. Okay, look, if you put a piece right here, and y'all watch, it's gonna close this right on that. Be easy, be gentle. Don't be ignorant to your hair now. Then I'm gonna put a piece right here. You see how that's closing up? And it's just getting a little less ignorant off up and through there. I wasn't gonna do it, but I said, let me just go ahead and show them so you can see. Show them, dresser. I know what time it is. When you gotta show somebody something. You see how that made that more neat right there? If you like that, like I like that right there. So you know what I'm gonna do? If you got to take some pictures and stuff, that's what I'm gonna do right here. I like how it's sitting. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin. And y'all know what I said about the bobby pins. Get you some, sis, because you're running out. You got about 2 left. If you like me, you'll get these cans for $400. They in my Amazon store, okay? Those will last you a while. I get 2 at a time, okay? You think it's a game? It's clearly not. I'm gonna just pin this right where it is because I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna pin it. Bam, I like that. This is where we are with it. I like it. And 7 packs is perfect for me. I have now used officially 7 full packs. I was not really sure how it was gonna work out, but I think the braids up here make it a little sleeker at the top. I really like how it turned out. It's light, it's bouncy, it's fluffy, it's not heavy. Yeah, yes, this is cute. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. You can do your little pin back. Yeah, I like this. I like this. This turned out really well. Y'all, let me know if you have any questions. I'll just check your local beauty supply store. Check online vendors for this hair. As with all Janet collection hair. I'm loving this color. Ooh, yes. You think it's a game? It's not. And until next time, peace, love, light. Bye.